Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. We have lockdown here in Nagaland again, and I thought of doing some DIY during this lockdown period, and there's something which I've been thinking to try for quite some time. And yeah, so I'll be doing tie and dye on this white t-shirt, and as you can see, I am pouring some water and I'll be adding 2 spoons of salt, and that is generally done to make the t-shirt hold color for a longer period of time, and that's a cotton t-shirt, and so I'm adding the salt. And I have the beetroot here with me. I just have 2 at home, so I'll be using that, and I've chopped them into this slices or chunks, I should say, and we'll be adding some water and boil it for 30 minutes. We'll be boiling the t-shirt as well for 30 minutes and this as well for 30 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. So as you can see, there are bubbles, the water is bubbling, and it's time to take it off and rinse it. And so is the beetroot. I'll be sieving it using a colander, and here is my t-shirt. I'm gonna rinse it and prepare it for the tie method. This method, you just have to pinch the middle of the t-shirt and then twist it and make it into a circular form so that you can tie the t-shirt. So I've seen a lot of people use rubber bands, but I'm using a jute rope or jute twine for it, and I hope it works. And yeah, so that's how I'm doing it. So yeah, I will be tying the final knot so it doesn't come off, and here is the colander which I'll be using for sieving the beetroot water for the dye. So I am separating the bigger chunks from the water so that it makes the dyeing process easier and that there are no pieces stuck on a t-shirt. So here is the color, and it looks quite rich. I'll be dipping the t-shirt in this water for 8 hours, but I'll be moving it into a Ziploc bag once it cools down, and for 8 hours, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let's hope that it turns out good. Yeah. So this is how the end result looks like. It has a very subtle color and I love it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do consider subscribing to my channel for more such DIYs. And yes, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.